Hello everyone. Hope you guys are well. Today we will be talking about printing this pattern with one loop only. But before doing that, we'll print it in normal way. So I'll be writing a quick code. So it's just a range function that we use to print the sequence. And I'll be then nesting another two for columns. So now I'll be printing the stars. And as we discussed in last video as well, we use end statement here because we want to continue printing in the same line. And let's see the result first. First time it just takes a little bit time for Collab, but we'll show the result soon. Forgot number. Sorry. It's basic issues. It is very important to see the indentation, Collab and Python so that you can have a expected output. So now we will do the same thing by using one loop. So now we'll try to print it in one iteration only. So for that we'll have a star here and we'll multiply by row now and we'll pass a statement or argument end and we'll have new line inserted here. So let's see if result came into the So this way we can use only one loop to print this pattern here. So that was very short video for today. Thank you.